This is Joyce's memorial service being held on her birthday, the 27th of January. She would have been 80 today. Alan and Kenneth prepared lots of pictures. This is the most recent picture of Joyce, and her picture with Dinah, and there's Beethoven. Alan has them all, and her children.
Yeah, oh, I know.
Anyway,
No kidding.
so here we are, milling around for Joyce. Fire's a little smoky. Some old friends from Carmel have come, living now in La Quinta, but we have Relda, and we have Alan, and Vicky, and Juliet, and Bill, and we're all here to mill around for Joyce. So, have a beautiful, calm evening after a breezy day. Doggy's invited. Polly is here.
I did. I came back and ordered.
Oh, here comes Marty. With no Pippin. Well, you were invited to. That's okay. You want to go home and get him?
Take it back slower.
No, where did you see it though? You said
Aiming way right.
So, perfect evening, and very nice little group to remember Joyce.